stretched dual motor AK-917. First time on 6S. And the best on the car right now I think is 127 on 4S. All right. My God. I gotta get a perfect pass on this thing. Whoa, almost hit the curb. All right, let's try this. Why is it dragging? Something broke. I shouldn't be driving it back, but I am. Something broke. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's steering or something. It must have broke suspension or something. I smell rubber. At least I don't smell electrical. Let's get this out of here. Let's get some real light on the subject. All right. Oh, it blew a tire right off of it. That's what it was. Right here. That's all it is. Well, let's check the speed, I guess. It's not on fire, so we're in no hurry. .145. Yeah, it's geared for more than that, definitely, but I was about losing control of it. I think it might have broke right in front of me, because I seen sparks. I have to watch the video, but I seen sparks come out of it, I think, right in front of me. Oops. Boy, it has some potential. I could feel it. Whew. I barely saved the car, though. That was stupid. I should have let out instead of just letting up. I should have stopped. All right. Yeah, that tire is gone. The whole damn thing. Anyway, 145, 2 Leopard Hobby motors, XLX2s, and then these China Hobby Line 6S batteries. There's the wires. So, well, we didn't ruin it. We almost crashed it, but I got lucky.